Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm called Rashida. If you're seeing me for the first time, you are so welcome on my channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm here to give you what should I give you? Okay, what you should know is I'm at my house, guys. Whenever I feel like bored, I be like, why not go to my house? Okay, so today I'm here at my house, and apparently the caretakers are not here. Yeah, I found when the house is locked, I have my keys, so I decided to open. Yeah, so I want to give you this video and show you how the house looks like when my caretakers are not at home. The place is so quiet. My caretaker, it's a husband and a wife, and they have twins. They have 3 kids. They have two twins and 1 kid. But for all my videos I've been recording, guys, you could note that we have kids here at home. But today it feels different. The place is so quiet. No one is making noise. So I was like, let me give you this video of how my house looks like when I'm here alone. I'm going to give you a full home house tour. Okay, so enjoy the video. So guys, I decided to start my video from here. You know, for the very first time, it's not bad manners, guys. It's not bad manners. I'm just saying. Ever since we got caretakers, our home has never been quiet like it is right now. I don't know where they went, but I came and I found the house locked. So I was like, let me give you this video, okay? Let me give you this video and I show you a full home house tour, okay? So I've started the video from here. Yeah, so we have our sand there, the lake sand, then the river sand. So when time comes for us to do plastering, we shall start from that sand. Yeah, but this is what we have, guys. This is the house. In case you're new here, it's a 3-bedroom house here in Uganda. Okay, yeah, so join me as I show you what we have. People who have been following me, they know how our house is, because I've been sharing the videos about the construction of my house from the foundation to where we are right now. Okay, we have the gutters. We installed the gutters, then the pipes, the down pipes, as you can see. Okay, so let us first go inside, then after I'll take you around the house so that you could see it as well. Here we have 2 entrances. We have the entrance of the living room area, then the entrance of the dining room area. Okay, and not forgetting to let you know, we shall put stairs over there when we are doing landscaping of the in front compound. We shall put some stairs here, I think, at the entrance of the dining, because it will be our main entrance. Okay, so let us enter. For now, we are going to start the video from the living room. Okay, guys, so this is my living room. To some people it may not be big, but to us it's enough. Yes, so this is our living room. You see, guys? Yeah, so I'm going to give you this full detailed tour of my home. Then this is the floor. Yeah. So from there we have the dining. This is the dining area. That's the couch of my caretakers. So this is the dining. It's an open dining and kitchen area. Okay, so before that, let me first give you this view. Here I'm standing at where the kitchen starts from. So from here you can get the view of the dining area, then the living room with those 2 beautiful designed main doors. Then over here we have the dining window, which is big. Guys, I love how big my dining window is. So because of the dining window, then the 2 doors, our house, or the living areas, living and dining, they have enough light. Okay, so then over this side it takes us to our kitchen. Guys, before, our kitchen was not an open kitchen and dining, but you, my subscribers, my viewers, you advised me. You were like, no, Rashida, please make your kitchen an open kitchen. Like, let your kitchen and dining have that concept of open kitchen and dining. What it is that, guys? So our kitchen, it's an open kitchen and dining. Okay, so over here we are in the kitchen. Yeah, this is the kitchen, guys. As I told you in my previous videos, we had to reduce the window of the kitchen. The window of the kitchen was big compared to that, but when we are doing the pipe work, the plumber advised us to chop off some inch or centimeters of the window, so we had to make it smaller. But even if it's smaller, the mere fact that we have enough light from the dining area and the living room, I think even the kitchen has enough light. Okay, so from the kitchen we have this entrance which takes us to the pantry, then the laundry room. Okay, so join me guys. This is our pantry. Yeah, apparently it's where the caretakers keep their things. Yeah, that's the pantry. Then from the pantry, this is the laundry room. You see, guys, we already have the pipe work in the laundry room. So this is our laundry room. Between, guys, we are not going to put a door here. Yeah, no door on these frames. And they are big compared to the rest of the frames we have in the house. So no door here and no door here. So I was thinking of not putting a door even here at the entrance. Okay, let me say the entrance, which brings us to the laundry, pantry, and kitchen. Reason being, this door, this one at the back entrance of the kitchen, so I'm thinking in case we put a door, it will either come this side of the laundry room or this side of the kitchen, which I don't like. So I may decide not to put a door here. Yeah, so then over this side, it takes us to the back of the house. I don't know if for security wise, it will be nice not to put a door here, or I need a door, I don't know. But even if I put a door here, if someone enters or any intruder enters, he or she can pass here. Okay, so I'm still thinking of whether to put a door here or not. Okay, so let us go back this side, then I take you to the bedrooms. Before we go to the bedroom, I'm standing in this corridor. This corridor takes us to the bedrooms. Then here, it takes us to the back of the house in this TV room, guys. I told you in my previous video that we decided to install in that door in a TV room area so that it works as our personal storeroom. Yeah, we have caretakers, so we want to have our own room where we keep the materials we use at our site. Okay, so join me as we see what we have in the storeroom, guys. See how cute this door is. It's really, really cute. Tell me, did I choose a good design? Yeah, because Mr. was like, it's okay, you can choose a design you want. Guys, tell me, is it a cute design? Yeah, that's the door which I chose, and it's so heavy. Guys, okay, so this is our TV room, the kids' TV playroom area. In construction, when you have kids, I would advise you to put a playroom or TV room for the kids. Yeah, you'll thank me later. So this is going to be like, let me say, a kids' living area. Yeah, and you're going to buy space here. But for now, we have our things which we use. Okay, before I leave here, I'm going to lock this door. Guys, I love how cute this door is. Are you seeing it? It's really, really beautiful. Yeah, it's such a very cute door. So this is the TV area. Okay, yeah. Then let us go to the bedrooms. Then this corridor, it takes us to the bedrooms, okay? Let us first see these rooms, then after we shall go to the master bedroom. Okay, so over here we have the first kids room. This is where the caretaker and his family sleeps. Yeah. Then over here we have the second kids room. The other one is the girls room, but since we don't have girls, it's going to work as our visitors room for now. And this is my boys room. Yeah. Nchimanyi buli kaseera wemba house tour mbagamba I'm a mother and I have 2 little boys. So this is going to be my boys room. It has that big window. Then we have a French window over there. And this room has enough light, so the wardrobes will fit in over there. Yeah, so this is the boys room. Then from there we have the general bathroom. So these 2 rooms, they will be sharing this bathroom, okay? The pipework is already there, okay? Yes, so this is what we have in the general bathroom. So from there, we have the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, guys. Welcome to my room. I just can't wait for the day to come when I'm living in this house. Praise God, praise God. Because but I know God is with us, okay? So guys, this is my room, the master bedroom. We have that huge window. Then we have the 2 French windows. Yeah, the floor there and the ceiling up there. You see, guys? So from there, we have the master bathroom over here. Then the pipe work. Yeah. So this is the master bathroom. Okay, guys? This is what we have in the master bathroom. So let me take you to the back of the house. Okay, so join me as we go to the back of the house. Okay, let me open. So guys, this is our back. Yeah, we have the veranda here. These guys, they forgot to switch off the solar. I think it has been days and the solar is on. Yeah, we have a small solar here. So guys, this is the back of my house. Where should I start from? Okay, let me start from here. Let me start from the toilet. From the latrine, sorry. So over here, on this side, it takes us to the front of the house. Yeah. Then this side, we have the pit latrine, which is closed. Yeah. Tabagamba bagalengawo in case tebaliwo, so that so that they don't make our pit latrine a public toilet, okay? So that's our pit latrine. From the pit latrine, we have the foundation of our boys' quarters. Yeah, this is the foundation of our boys' quarters, or the perimeter wall, okay? Then from there, we have our water tank. It's a 10,000 liter water tank. Okay, guys? So, this is what we have here. Again, even the tank, we told them to close it. Wanga waliwo oluzi eri wansi omuntu wamanya nti wano waggule era abajja kujja amazzi agasombe wano. So we decided to get a padlock and we closed that as well. So this is the backyard of my house. Let me give you a view. Yeah, this is what we have. So far everything is nice. I was like, let me give you this video of my home tour. Yeah, the surroundings. Okay, for now we don't have neighbors. Sina a neighbor, but wagule yonna. The neighbors I have, they are the other side. We have a neighbor there. We are Zimba Karina. Olio 199 Hazimba Bungalow. We have another neighbor there. Difference Jemulengera. Okay, so by God's will, even the neighbors will come. More neighbors, they will come. But This is it, guys. Okay. Njagadde mbalage mbawe kano katuwa. Okay, guys. So this is what we have here in my house. So when you pass this side, it takes us back to the front of the house. Okay. And I have more neighbors. Abali kuzimba yadde abawana abali okumpi tebanazimba. Now from here, let me show you. You see, guys, there is a fence there. We also have a neighbor there. They built a fence. Eyo 99 ndiye mulaba endala bakoze tebanazimba bazimbye fence ne batekako ne gate. Okay. Then over this side, I also have another neighbor there. Mulaba wow. Awo bali mu kuzimba n'ennyumba nnene erina ne go down. So this is what we have. This is my home tour. More neighbors there, and again more neighbors there. Then this side, it brings us back to my house. Okay, guys, so I'm going to end my video from here. Thank you for touring my home with me. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So guys, as for now, we don't have any going activity to opposing amuko, but for the rest of the things tujja kuba tukola mpola, and I'll be sharing with you whatever we shall be doing here at the house. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye for now and see you in my next video. I love you.